In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a Wix website on a blank template. To get started, go to wix.com, sign into your account, and from your dashboard, click Create New Site. This opens the setup flow and gives you a fresh starting point for your project. Wix will ask what kind of website you want to create. Choose the business or website type that fits your goal. After that, select the option to build the site yourself using the Wix editor. This is the best choice when you want full control over a blank template and want to place everything exactly where you want it. Once the editor opens, begin building your page by clicking the Add Elements icon on the left sidebar. This is where you can drag and drop the first layout pieces onto your canvas. As you place items, focus on building a clean structure first. It is usually easier to start with larger layout pieces before fine-tuning smaller details. This helps your page come together in a way that feels balanced and easy to navigate. Next, click Site Design, which is the icon that looks like a text and paint style tool. This area lets you choose your universal color palette and typography theme. Setting these styles early is important because it gives your entire website a consistent look. Instead of styling each item one by one, you can create a visual system that carries across the full site. As you continue adding content, organize everything into separate sections down the page. Sections help break up your layout into clear parts, which makes the design more scannable and easier for visitors to follow. It also makes editing easier later, since each area of the page has its own purpose and spacing. After your desktop layout looks good, click the mobile icon at the top of the screen. This switches you into the mobile view, where you can adjust element placement for smaller screens. Make sure content is easy to read and that spacing feels comfortable on a phone. A site that looks great on desktop should also be easy to use on mobile. Finally, click Preview to test your links and animations and make sure everything works the way you expect. Once you are happy with the result, click Publish to launch your blank canvas website live. That covers everything you need to know.